The open source community is what really drives innovation in Linux. Absolutely, and the flexibility is unmatched. No? Every time someone complains that their computer crashed, I quietly think, maybe you should try Linux. Sure. And then, oh yes, the classic solution. Though if you say that to the wrong person, they'll look at you like you just told them to rebuild their house with a hammer and a screwdriver. True, but Linux has quite a story. It started in 1980 named Linus Torvalds. The funny part is he described it as just a small hobby project, which is a bit like someone saying, I'm just doodling and accidentally inventing modern art. Exactly. And then he did something that turned out to be very important. He shared the code online. Right. And programmers everywhere saw it and said, hey, this is interesting. Let's help improve it. Which is basically how open source works. Thousands of people collaborating, fixing bugs, adding features, and occasionally arguing on mailing lists. Servers could run for months, sometimes years, without crashing, which in the world of computers is almost suspiciously impressive. Exactly, so companies began using Linux to power their servers and infrastructure. Today, a huge portion of the internet runs on Linux. Websites, cloud platforms, data centers, you name it. And if that wasn't enough, Linux also runs most of the world's supercomputers, plus Android phones, which means billions of people are using a Linux-based system every day, even if they've never heard the word kernel. That's my favorite part of the story. A student starts a little hobby project, and 30 years later, it's quietly running the digital world. Not bad for something that started as just for fun. Makes you wonder how many world-changing inventions began with someone procrastinating on homework. If that's the case, the future of technology is in very good hands. So this is the end of our discussion. See you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for joining us.